Welcome to the daily prediction. So I'm making the video for the 2nd of November 2021. Like I said that I'm going to be a little busy during 2nd September and 3rd September. So I will try to make the videos in advance so that you have the videos. And by the time right now it's almost night. So it's a good time to get into the energy of the next day as well. And I hope you find these videos useful. And if you do, please leave a feedback and share those videos with other people and press the like button. Okay, so looking at the energy of the cards. The first card that I have is Nine of Swords. Now, I want to show you the energy of the card so that you can understand how the cards have come. There is Nine of Swords, there is 10, there is Page of Cups, which is 11, and then there is a Hermit, which is again 9. But 9 plus 2 becomes again 11, and 9 plus 1 again become 10. So there is an energy of moving from the energies of October into November and actually changing the energies. Now, how the changes, I will tell you. The first card is Nine of Swords, and if you see Nine of Swords, somebody has actually woken up from the middle of the sleep and the person is scared. Now, why the person is scared? Because this person has taken seen a bad dream where somebody was hitting somebody was trying to kill somebody. Now, one, you have to take care of your dream. You have to take care of your sleep. You have to take care of your health. But at the same time, keep a very close attention to your dreams. Write down your dreams because you will receive some messages through dreams in the night of maybe 1st and 2nd of November, and that's why I will put this video right now, so you have it before you sleep. But there are going to be some dreams that are going to be relevant, so pay a close attention to your dreams. Second, if there is any fear, if there is anything that is negative, if there is anything that you've been worried about, anxious about, that energy is going to go, because if you see there is an energy change that is happening, because if you see here, the quilt has a lot of flowers and it has a lot of signs. So the nature is giving you the sign, the divine is giving you the sign that once you are awake, once you are into the energy of awakening, that is when the energies change for you, and anything that was a bad dream is going to get over, because there is a 10 of Swords card. Now the 10 of Swords card very clearly shows the energy where something has gone completely off, somebody is completely hurt, but there is a new sun that is rising. So it cannot go worse than that. And you can see the finger moving, you can see these two fingers kind of closed with the thumb like this, like there is a mudra like this, and you can't keep doing this if you are dead. So this person definitely is not dead, but yes, the things have gone really worse, close to as worse as they could be, and now there is a new sunrise. So anything in your life that is not working fine, anything in your life that is not going good, there might be an energy where you feel that something is getting worse, something is getting very, very bad. Now this could be pain, this could be physical health, this could be emotional health, this could be your thoughts, but there's an energy that there is a sun rising in that. There is an energy where the energies are completely changing, and then out of the box some gift, some gain is coming your way. So this person had actually filled the water from the sea with this cup, and a fish is actually popping up. So something is going to pop up out of the blue, some energy, some guidance, some positive message, some positive communication, because it has a lot of lotus flowers on his dress that he's wearing. So something is going to pop up, something is going to come up, that is going to be your intuition, that can be a relationship, that can be a person, that can be a message, that can be a communication. Something is going to come up and change the energy, and the energy is going to change for good, because there is a Hermit here, and the Hermit is the sign of guidance. Hermit is the sign where the star is into the lantern, but the star is still kind of shining. It is still in the lantern also, the star is completely shining and bright. So it has not lost its shine, it is still showing the way. So you might be into that energy where you were not able to do many things, or you were feeling stuck, or you were feeling frustrated because of things, or you were feeling having bad dreams, or kind of feeling physically or otherwise emotionally pained. But then there's an energy where there is a guidance that is coming your way. The surface is becoming clear, the snow is melting, and there's a guide. You can see the white beard, and that means that he has a lot of experience. So there's somebody who's showing a light, and out of the box you're going to see some positive messages, some positive communication, some light that is going to come your way. Now I did take out some extra cards, and the first card I got is 4 of Swords, and there's 5 of Swords. Now this is again energy of 9, and this card says that somebody who was actually thinking of something, there are 2 people here. There is a child energy here, and there is a female energy here. and this looks like a church. This looks like a place where they are outside and this person is inside, right? And there's an energy of Five of Swords, which is defeat card or the victory card. You can take it both ways. Why? Because there is a victory for one person, there is a defeat for two people. So two people are actually throwing their swords away and going. Now this one thing I will tell you is that don't get into any kind of arguments with anybody, because arguments will not help you. You might win, but you might lose people or relationships. But the way I'm looking at this energy, it is looking an energy of winning to me. It is not looking at energy like a defeat to me. And this card saying that something that you have complete attention upon, something that you've been completely praying for to happen, that kind of win is going to come into your life. Or if you've been praying for somebody's defeat, that person is going to receive that defeat. Now I wanted to clarify these cards further, and I got these two cards, and I got a Four of Pentacle and a Queen of Pentacle. Now this is an 8 energy, and this card says that don't be closed for whatever is coming your way. Open yourself and receive it. And this card says abundance or better opportunities or better situations or more growth is coming your way. So overall the energy is very positive. Now if I talk about the energy energy wise, about the things that are happening or the situations that are happening right now, I do feel that there is a possibility where out of the box you see at least 2 people getting in, like arrested, right? So there is an energy where somebody shows the light out of the box. There is a fish that is pulled, and that fish is put inside, and that fish kind of pulls the other person also, and 2 people get inside, and there is a female also. So I'm going to see there is, I do see there is a change. There is a positive change that is coming into the energies. Now this is Rider-Waite. I do forgot the name, the classic Rider-Waite or something, but this is the Rider-Waite deck. It does not have the borders. The second set of cards that I got from Spirit Messages, first card is White Stag. It says Protector, and it says you are an old soul. Your best friend is nature. Use your intuition to take you where you want to go. Awaken to the powerful force within you. You are meant to create blessings with your magic. So see, you have an energy. You are an old soul. You have a lot of energy. You can create protection. You can create magic. So please believe in your magic. First message. Second is Cogger. It says assertive, and it says in silence you find power. Claim your leadership role and take action. You know where to go and what to do. You have the courage, confidence to succeed. So you have it all in you. You just have to take the right steps, right movement, right time, follow the guidance and move forward. Open yourself and abundance is yours. Second, I do feel an energy of leadership, and I do feel an energy of, with the Protector, the Stag, the forces. So I do feel that there is going to be something from the leadership and the forces, or in combination for both of them. Now the next set of cards that I have is from Kali cards. The first card is Bhuvaneshwari, and it says no, first card is not Bhuvaneshwari. I'm going to take out the cards in the sequence that they came, so that you don't you get the message in the right way. The first card is Blue Tara. It says, chaos will give way to the higher order of love. Let there be peace in your heart. As Blue Tara looks at her right, gazing towards the future, she sees a vision of your peaceful, protected, and authentically expressing future. You have every right to feel hopeful, happy, secure in the destiny that is now unfolding you. So whatever chaos that you have undergone, whatever chaos that you have seen, that is actually unfolding a wonderful destiny for you. You just have to have patience and see that destiny being unfolded. The second card that I have is Krishnau, and it says you can have what you need and desire, but you must be prepared to enter into the sacred fire to make the appropriate offering. Like Sita Ma, she kind of gave this Agni Pariksha, right? So she offered herself to the fire. So there are exams that we need to give. There are lessons that we have, and there are difficulties that we need to go through. Shift from focusing on what isn't working to handling overall concerns as a prayer offering to the divine. All can then be resolved, and you shall manifest according to the loving and the generous grace. So believe in yourself and know that whatever whatever test that you had to give in, whatever difficulties that you were undergoing, that were for a reason, and surrender them all to the divine. The next card is Lalita Tripura Sundari. It says a chapter in your life is closing and will not be reopened. This will be a reason for celebration. Whatever you need to release right now shall create the space for what is divinely destined for you to manifest through her grace. You shall enjoy a change in pace and release from intensity. Open your heart to the beginning of a golden era. So definitely a new era is starting for you, and one chapter is going to close, and I think the chapter of difficulties, problems, negativity is going to close now. And the next card is again most beautiful card, because this is the card of Bhuvaneshwari, and it says she is the rising sun, marking the ending of darkness and the replenishment of the life force after illness and devastation. She creates a clean state and a fresh start. She protects and preserves that which is worthy of the heart. She shines as in a perpetual state of divine beauty and radiance, attracting to us the most supportive and honoring circumstances. So definitely she is actually bringing in the energy that is completely different. She is completely bringing in the energy that is beautiful, and there is a new sunrise that is happening. The last card that I have from God and Goddess, and I will take out the additional message that I do take out for you. These are Kali Oracle cards. This is the card of Narad Muni, Sage of Gods. Now, the Narad Muni has been presented in a very, very different and a negative way, which is not the right way of presenting him, because it says musical ability, it says knowledge of Vedic literature, it says mastery of bhakti and devotional yoga, and it says attachment to the singing of God's name. Now, how I see this is that you are going to be more connected to the music of the universe. You're going to listen to the music of the universe. You're going to be connected to the music of the divine, and definitely spend some time listening to music, believing in divine, connecting with the divine, taking God's names, or the angels or the guides, whoever you believe in. And I do see Saturn very, very strongly here. So definitely some big energy shift is happening already, and by 2nd November we will be able to experience that shift. I'm going to take out the additional message for you guys. Let's see what is the additional message for 2nd of November 2021. So let's see what is the additional message. Guides, angels, what is the additional message for 2nd November 2021? What do we need to know? Okay, what do we need to know? What is going to happen on 2nd of November 2021? Okay, so I do see few cards, and there are quite a few. Okay, so there is a card of 6 of swords, there is a card of 7 of swords, there is a card of 7 of wands, and then there is a card of King of Pentacle. Now these cards, first of all, there is going to be a smooth sailing. So there is going to be an energy that will take you away from the energy of thieves, energy of negativity, energy of taking things away from somebody, energy where you are not into a very good space. That energy is going to get over. You're going to find some thieves. You're going to find some situations where anything that was taken away from you, or anything that was yours but you did not have it, that coming back to you. There is an energy of 7 of wands where you will have the ability to protect yourself and protect others. So you have the ability to push back anything that you don't want to be in your life. So yes, do protect yourself and do stand your ground and do push back for the things that you cannot do. And the last card here is King of Pentacle, where the king is looking at the pentacle, and king actually is looking very, very surprised and shocked, and he doesn't know how to move forward, what to do. And I see a S here, if you can see it too. I don't know why first time I kind of saw it. Okay, so the energy is where money energy is probably not going to be as powerful as it was, and that is why the king is surprised that the pentacle is not working how it is meant to be working. And yes, so there is the energy of moon, but this moon is different, right? This moon card is, she's actually burning her own fire, burning her own light, and there are wolves right behind her, but they are not really harming her. She's a warrior. She has the keys to wherever she wants to go, and she's ready for taking away or taking up any difficulty. And the moon is not really full moon behind her. So something coming to light, you're going to see the wolves very, very clearly, and you will be ready to move forward with your energy. So I do feel that the energies are quite positive for the month of November already. But yes, I do feel that 2nd November is going to bring in some very strong and positive change. 5 of Wands. Just don't get into the energy of unnecessary fights. But there is a war of the worlds that is happening on 2nd of November. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself, and if possible, do give a feedback and share the video with other people, and press the like button. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Have a good day.